Good afternoon. I'm currently on our shared customer's roof of this claim number 87514LDG. It is July 11th. It is currently 89 degrees and I'm on the back south slope of the roof. This is the 512 pitch slope. We are going to be documenting attempt to repair video on this shingle right here. So we got sent over a scope that paid for about 3.5 squares of roofing where a tree fell and damaged the roof. Specifically this sunroof back here. I'm just here to prove that, one, in order for me to repair this left and right slope, it's going to tie into this back slope because it has valley metal. So these shingles actually go underneath this back slope. So I'm here to prove that while I have to replace that, I'm also going to have to replace some of these shingles on this back slope, and I'm just here to prove that this roof is technically about over 15. So we're going to document this repair to show that more than likely this roof is unrepairable. So just want to point out that none of these shingles have been unsealed before. All of these shingles are still sealed tight, except this one, and this is a smaller shingle. It's about a foot length, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shingles surrounding this one damaged shingle right here. So let's go ahead and get started with the repair by unsealing the shingle with our roof snake. So I do have to go about 2 rows above in order for me to take the shingle out or take these nails out. So this is the shingle. We're going to be as gently as possible trying to remove these nails. As you can see, I'm already struggling to unseal the shingles. I have to go in sideways, that way I don't start tearing up these shingles. I do want to mention that there is prior repairs on this roof that show that the roof is already unrepairable, but we want to capture it on video, of course, so you guys can see for yourself. All right, so I'm lifting up the shingle high enough to where I can visibly see the nails. Already I will say that there's a good amount of mat transfer from this shingle onto the damaged shingle right here. So I'm going to unseal the second shingle right here. Above this one. Now I'm sealing the fourth shingle. All right, so O shingle is out. As you can see already, lots of mat transfer, not just on one shingle, 2, 3, already good amount of mat transfer on 3 shingles. So we're gonna go ahead and remove some of these nails that stayed. should be all the nails. So we're gonna go back with the regular composition shingle. You can get it at any local big box store. All right, shingle is back in place. Dimension seems good. Reveal is a little off, but we will continue the repair. So overall, length of the shingle is all right. Reveal is a little bit short, but we're gonna go ahead and continue. We'll be using a roof rake and a hatchet to put the nails back in place. About 2 more nails and repair should be complete. Here. One more nail, and we should be complete with this repair. All right, so repair is complete. And like I said, there's definitely a good amount of mat transfer all across 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles. There's also some tearing that actually occurred right here in this part of the shingle, as well as more fractures on another shingle here. So in the process of me trying to repair one shingle, 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles got damaged. Our goal is to bring our homeowner back to pre-loss condition, not to create any more damage. If we can continue to do all of these repairs across this whole entire valley, more than 15 shingles are definitely going to get damaged, and that is not going to help out the homeowner. So we kindly request to please reconsider the repairability aspect of the shingle, as well as some of these keys have already started to basically unseal from the shingle itself. So I'm going to consider this a failed attempt to repair, and will kindly ask you guys to consider the repairability aspect of this roof. Thank you.